Hello everyone! I'm here to share this phonics video on our last vowel, letter U. So we're going to be talking about the two sounds that the letter U can make. Alright, so here is our last vowel, letter U. So this is short letter U. U says Alright, I point my thumb up because it reminds me to say like I'm pointing up. Okay? This is also the letter U. Long U says U, like you sing it. Alright, let's do that together. Get ready. And U. Let's do it again. Get ready. Next one. U. One more time. Get ready. And U. Alright, last time. Get ready. Good job. Alright, so we're going to go over the short U sound first. So if you can see here, I have 3 pictures, and these all have the short U sound. For example, I have umbrella, or achoo. Again, let's do that together. Get ready. Umbrella. Let's do that again. Get ready. Umbrella. One more time. Get ready. Umbrella. Alright, next picture. We have a picture of an arrow that is pointing up. Let's do that together. Get ready. Up. Again, get ready. Up. One more time. Get ready. Up. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. Alright, for our last picture, we have a girl that is upset. Alright, so kind of just put up and added set to the end of it. Alright, so watch me. Upset. Let's do that together. Get ready. Upset. One more time. Upset. And by yourself. Good job. Alright, next up, we are reading words with the short U sound. So I'm going to encourage you to try to stretch it out on your own first. Go ahead and give this one a try. Get ready. Alright, you should have gotten d, k, duck. Let's do that together. Get ready. D, k, duck. Again, get ready. D, k, duck. One more time. Get ready. D, k, duck. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job stretching out the word duck. Go ahead and give this one a try as well. Alright, you should have gotten k, up, cup. Let's do that together. Get ready. K, up, cup. Again, get ready. K, up, cup. One more time. Get ready. K, up, cup. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. Alright, I have some more tricky words here for you. Remember, really trying to pronounce that sound, okay? Not or you want to say Okay. Go ahead and try this one. It's a little tricky there. Alright, if you notice, I have a digraph up front, TH, coming together to say th. I also have this weird letter B on the end there. Funny things about B is when M and B come together, the B can be silent sometimes. That's why it's small. It's not going to say anything. It's just going to be sneaky there. Alright, let's do it together. Get ready. Thumb. Alright, let's do it again. Get ready. Thumb. One more time. Get ready. Thumb. And by yourself, get ready. Good job stretching out the word thumb. And there's a thumbs up for you. Alright, let's try this last short U. You should be able to try this one on your own. Get ready. Alright, we have a digraph up front. S and L coming together to say sul. Then I get sul, g, slug. Let's do that together. Get ready. Slug. Slug. Again, get ready. Slug. Slug. One more time. Get ready. Slug. Slug. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. All right, next, moving on, we have the long U sound. So remember, when it's long U, we have to say its name. So the 3 pictures I have for long U is a unicorn. Say it with me. U, unicorn. Again, U, unicorn. One more time. U, unicorn. And by yourself. Good job. All right, if you don't know what this is, it's kind of like a bike, but it only has 1 wheel. That's why we call it a uni, meaning 1 cycle, unicycle. All right, say it with me. U, unicycle. Again, get ready. U, unicycle. One more time. U, unicycle. By yourself. Good job. And last but not least, I have a picture of our wonderful flag there. So I have, for this, USA. I mean, it's kind of like an acronym, but we have USA. Let's do that together again. USA. One more time. USA. And by yourself. Good job. All right, now on to reading words with the long U sound. Okay, so a very important clue in here is to look at that line over top of it. That symbol tells us that this letter is going to say its name. So watch me do it first. Cute. All right, this sneaky E here isn't saying anything. He's just being quiet. Let's do that together. Get ready. Cute. Again, get ready. Cute. Good. One more time. Cute. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Over to this word, watch me try to stretch it out, paying attention to this symbol over my U here. Huge. Huge. You hear the letter U in the middle there? Let's do that together. Get ready. Huge. Huge. One more time. Get ready. Huge. Huge. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. All right. Last 2 words we have here. Go ahead and try to sound this one out on your own first, then we'll do it together. Get ready. All right, you should have gotten cube, like an ice cube or the shape of a cube. Let's do that together. Get ready. Cube. Again, get ready. Cube. One more time, get ready. Cube. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. All right, last word we are stretching out here. Go ahead and give it a go. Get ready. All right, this one's short and sweet, but you should have gotten use. Let's do it together. Get ready. Use. Again, get ready. Use. One more time. Get ready. Use. And by yourself, get ready. All right, nice job stretching out long U. All right, just to review here, we learned that the letter U makes 2 sounds. The first one being the short sound, the next one being the long sound, U. So for short U, I have the up arrow. Say it with me. Again. One more time. Is for up. And my second sound, I have long U. Say it with me. U. One more time. U. U is for unicorn. So it's important to hear those 2 different types of sound there. Unicorn and up. All right, I added in our sentence, so we're going to try to stretch it out. We know this is the sight word the. Here's a picture. Unicorn is up in the sky. The unicorn is up in the sky. A lot of short words in there. All right, let's read it together. Get ready. The unicorn is up in the sky. Again, get ready. Really trying to pronounce those U sounds. Get ready. The unicorn is up in the sky. One more time. The unicorn is up in the sky. All right, you go ahead and read it. Nice job. As always, you can extend this by trying to write this sentence, including a capital letter at the beginning, spaces between the words, and punctuation or a period at the end if you would like. There's also some letter U activities for you to practice listening to the and U sound, as well as spelling with U and sneaky E. So I hope you enjoy. That was our last vowel video. Of course, you can come back and rewatch it, or any of the vowel videos if needed. But for now, that's it. So have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.